So we've got three scatter graphs here showing the heights of people and the cost of clothes. And then we've got a few descriptions here. So Chen says, the taller you are, the more your clothes cost. Megan says, the shorter you are, the more your clothes cost. And Alfie says there is no relationship between your height and what your clothes cost. And we're asked to choose the letter of the scatter graph that represents what each person has said. So we'll start with Chen. He's saying the taller you are, the more your clothes cost. That means that when your height is bigger, the cost is bigger. So if we look here at these diagrams, we want to see where the height is big, the cost is also big. So that means we're looking for points here. And where your height is small, the cost is also small. So really, we can see we've got a pattern going up like this. Small height, small cost, large height, large cost. So that person there is going to be A. Chen says A. Megan says the shorter you are, the more your clothes cost. So this time we're looking for the opposite. We're looking for a low height with a high cost. So here, a low height, a high cost. So perhaps that could be true, but also tall, also a high cost. So we can't see it on this one. Let's look at diagram C. The shorter you are, the higher your cost. So that makes sense. The taller you are, the lower your cost. We're looking at a pattern like this. So this shows the correct pattern, diagram C here. And then Alfie saying that there's no relationship. That means the points will be all over the place. There's no correlation. We can tell that that's diagram B. So if we just go over that again, here, Chen, this is actually a positive correlation. The taller you are, the more your clothes cost. It's positive. It's going up. The taller you get, the more it costs. Megan here is showing negative, so the shorter you are, the more your clothes cost. So as your height gets less, your clothes cost more. So this one, we're looking at a negative line here. As your height is shorter, your cost is going up. So if we answer the question then, Chen says A, Megan says C, and Alfie says